Alcúdia is one of the most well-loved municipalities in Majorca thanks to its special characteristics. It is located in the northeast of the island, 54 kilometers from Palma, on a peninsula that separates the bays of Alcúdia and Pollença. With over 30 kilometers of coastline, it offers beautiful fine sandy beaches, sheer cliffs, and picturesque hidden coves. Alcúdia was declared an ecotourism municipality in 1992 due to its pioneering efforts in environmental protection and its willingness to ensure that its exceptional beauty spots are conserved intact. As well as enjoying its natural charms, this unique destination offers a wide variety of cultural attractions. In Alcúdia, from prehistoric times to the present day, the passing of the centuries has left an indelible mark on the territory, its customs, and its inhabitants. Proof of this is the Roman town of Pollença, which was founded in the 1st century BC by the Roman consul Quintus Caecilius Metellus, and of which important structures still remain, such as the theater, the forum, and the Portela residential district. The Romanization of the Balearic Islands can be studied today thanks to the existence and continuing archaeological excavations of this town, and to the excavated pieces that are housed in Pollença's monographic museum. One of Alcúdia's most unusual and representative features is the medieval town, which conserves its original layout and impressive fortification that has survived the passing of time. This charming area invites the visitor to explore, wander along the pedestrianized streets, sample typical Majorcan cuisine in the lovely restaurants, visit the delightful shops and the Old Quarters weekly market, and relive the past through the performances and shows that are held in this part of town. The town has a number of extremely important buildings and architectural elements that have been the object of restoration programs. These days, some of these buildings are now home to the Can Tarot Library, the Can Fondo Exhibition Hall, and other cultural centers. On the art scene, the Yannick and Ben Jacober Foundation is of particular note with its collection of portraits of children, the sculpture park, the collection of contemporary and modern art, and its rose garden, all of which compete in interest and charm with the exceptional setting of the Sa Bassa Blanca estate, where the foundation is located. Alongside the historic buildings are modern constructions such as the auditorium, which has a double use. On the one hand, it offers all the facilities required by a conference center, and on the other, it is a first-class cultural center, with a program that is a point of reference for the whole of the northern part of Majorca. These days, Puerto de Alcúdia, an old traditional fishing port, is a place where visitors to the town congregate thanks to numerous pedestrianized areas where there are countless businesses, shops, restaurants and cafes, and a lively nightlife. Alcúdia's landscape is undoubtedly one of the key factors in attracting tourists. The natural setting is uniquely rich with sandy beaches, coves, mountains, and wetlands, all set against the backdrop of the intense blue of the Mediterranean Sea that laps the shore. As a result, in Alcúdia, numerous fun and sports activities can be practiced outside without having to travel very far. Nautical and golf tourism have a special place in our municipality, with prestigious facilities such as the Alcúdia Mar Marina and the Alcanada Golf Course. Feeling at home thanks to the comfort and advantages of a personalized service is possible in Alcúdia as it has a number of first-rate hotels. The accommodation available is very varied, providing an excellent service adapted to suit the needs of each visitor. We invite you to visit us and enjoy the wide range of possibilities that Alcúdia and the hospitality of its people offer, and experience with us a world of sensations.